Hey there, I'm Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, and today we are spending time in my kitchen using the NutriBullet Pro 900 series blender because I want to see how it blends, and I'm pretty sure you do too. So we are going to use my signature recipe, which is called Beginner's Luck, and we're going to see how this single serving blender does with it. The NutriBullet Pro 900 series comes with a 32-ounce plastic BPA-free container, and the blade is actually attached to it, and you just twist it off when you're done blending and ready to drink it. You can swap it with a lid too that it comes with, and it comes with a lot of accessories as well. It also has a 900-watt motor, so there is some power in this mighty little thing right here. And it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it retails for around $89, give or take a little bit, just depends on the time of year and the sales that are going on. But what's most important is, can the NutriBullet Pro 900 series blend a green smoothie? Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna get it out, twist off the lid. When using a blender that's like an inverted blender where it's upside down like this, where you take off the blender blade, we're gonna reverse the order of putting ingredients in it. So we're gonna start with our frozen fruits, which is gonna be half a cup of frozen mango. I use frozen fruit because it's nicer on your blender blade. It doesn't dull it as quickly as ice would do. And it's also cheaper than buying fresh fruit and cutting it up, because this is picked up prime season, frozen, chopped already for you, and it's usually more affordable. And do half a cup of pineapple. Then we're gonna add 1 banana. Banana is the reason why green smoothies turn out so creamy. If you can't stand bananas, feel free to swap it for an avocado. I would use about 1/4 to half of an avocado, or just leave it out completely. It's still gonna taste good. But I like banana and I like cream, so it's going in. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1 cup of baby spinach. So to measure 1 cup of spinach, all you do is grab a handful, that's about a cup. This doesn't have to be totally accurate, just you wanna get in some greens. Okay, we've got all of our ingredients except the water. We're gonna pour that in last. 1 cup of water. I'm gonna screw on the lid. With blenders like this, where you're putting the blade onto it, you need to make sure it's super tight because you do not want it to leak. Okay, that's good. Flip it over, and now you can see it's the leafy greens and then the frozen fruit next. So that's why we put it backwards when we're filling it, because it actually turns out normal when you're blending it. And this will help get rid of the most leafy chunks. And that's what we're trying to do here. Okay, to turn it on, I believe I push and twist. There's no settings, there's no speeds, it's one choice, that's all you get. But it's up to you to turn it off. So really what you can control is the amount of time you're blending for. So let's see when it's ready. All right, I stopped the blending when I didn't see any more leafy chunks. So that's when you know your smoothie's ready using the NutriBullet. All right, turn it back. Now I put the lid on so tight, it's not so easy to get it off. But it did not leak, which is a great thing to note. And then we're gonna pour it in here to see how it turned out. And that is pretty smooth. Very few chunks, very few. Like, it's a really good looking smoothie. And it tastes really good. Hey, Barrett. Barrett, go lay down. Okay, lay down. You grab the loudest bone you can. All right, so there you have it. That was the NutriBullet 900 Pro series, which is a pretty small blender. It's great to take on the go, or if you have an apartment or small space and you're single, or even just 2 people, it blends 2 servings of smoothies in it. I guess some of the pros are it's compact, it is high powered, It got rid of all the leafy chunks, so those are important things. The things that probably aren't as exciting is you don't have as many features, so you can't control the speed, you can't pulse it. Really, it's just all or nothing how this works. But I mean, that made a great green smoothie. I'm impressed with it, and it retails for $89 right now. So for that much, to have a great blender that small, you can't really beat it. Hope this was helpful. If you did enjoy it and you are interested in getting the NutriBullet Pro 900 series, now that you've seen it in action, I am gonna give one away. So this is not sponsored by NutriBullet. This is something that SGS, my whole team and I wanted to do for you guys, is to just give someone a blender. So if this video spoke to you and you're like, this is the blender for me, like this is the one I've been waiting for, leave a comment below and just let us know why you want this blender and also what features on it that really stood out to you. That will help us pick a winner, and we will announce it next week. So if you're the lucky rock star, we will reply to you through the comments and let you know you won. And if you want to see more blender demos, or if there's a blender you've been eyeballing and you're like, I would love to see how well that blends a green smoothie, let us know. Leave a comment below and we can check out that blender, because we want to have tons of these videos for you so you can kind of see the difference between them all, and then you can decide where you want to invest your money. So, all right, I hope you have an awesome day and enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment below. All right, bye.